Hello everyone! Merry Christmas! Okay, mag-unboxing. Okay, I have lots of gift received today. So, what first gift?
Dapat i-view mo yung mga gifts mo.
So, this is all of my gifts I received. Marami yan. There.
Ang ganda pa pala.
So, let's open one gift first. Okay.
How about this one here?
This one first. Okay, let's see.
Ay, hindi pala nakakong.
First, kanino kaya galing to?
That's from
Uy.
I forgot to put the card.
Actually, I already know this one. It was from my mom and also from dad. Actually, I can wear this for spring and fall. A coat. Actually, a coat. It's a coat. It's a coat.
Wear it.
Let's wear it. Does it fit for me? Yeah. Although, yeah. It's perfect fit. Yeah. For spring and fall. Yeah. Right? So, let's open another gift. Actually, it's already also my birthday. I'm also a Christmas baby. Okay. And no. Let's open this one. It's my birthday. Actually, this is from Nancy, my coworker. Thank you, Nancy, for this gift. Joy, happy birthday, Nancy P. Ooh. Okay, what is it? Let's destroy it. What is this? Rechargeable. Mini facial cleansing, is it? Or, yeah.
What's that? Massager?
It's a kit. Okay, I already opened it. It's like massager for my face. Thank you, Nancy. Cute. It's very cute. Thank you very much for the birthday gift. I will use it. And then, it's also Christmas. It's also from Nancy. Merry Christmas also, Nancy. Thank you for the 2 gifts. Actually, this is my first time again to receive 2 gifts. Ooh, I think I knew it. Because I am a god mom, I knew it.
What's that?
Yeah, hey. Thank you, Nancy. Yeah. Thank you. It's like Sylvester and Brett. This is Brett and this is Sylvester keychain. Thank you very much. DIY. She made it. This one.
You did it?
Yeah, she did it. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
What's the material?
It's like the name and the chain also. She made it. And then lip gloss. I think it's a lip tint. Yeah. Jelly. Thank you very much, Nancy, for the Christmas gift. And then next one is also from my coworker. She's also my partner. I already know this. It's lip gloss. Thank you, Ramandit, for this lovely gift. Thank you very much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And And another one. It's from my dad. Actually, I already opened it. This one is a Christmas and birthday card. Yeah, I have 100 bucks. Thank you very much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And the last one, should I open it?
Which one?
Actually, I won from the draw from Ugly Sweater, Pretty Ugly Sweater from my company. What I received is a power bank.
Yay!
Yeah, I won the Pretty Ugly
Yeah.
Sweater. This is my first time I won. Yeah, unexpected.
Yay!
Yeah. This is
She's
the
gonna
power
give
bank.
it to me. Yay! No, we're gonna share.
Ah, share kami ni Mother.
Yeah.
Thank you very much to the company. Thank you very much again. Have a Merry Christmas. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.